In this video, we're going to walk you through how you can go live on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for even more tips. Going live on TikTok is a fantastic way to connect with your audience and grow your following. To get started, simply tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Scroll to the bottom and you should see a create section, a post section, and a live section. Click live, and here you'll need to go ahead and do a few different things. Begin by hitting the settings, and you can go ahead and add an about me, a topic, and of course a title and a cover. I definitely recommend adding a title, and there's various other options that you can customize exactly what you're sharing. Once you're ready going through every single one of them, either go ahead and do the practice mode where you'll have about 30 seconds or more to explore different live features, or simply just go ahead and hit go live, and your live stream is going to start. It really is as simple as that. You'll see a countdown, and once that countdown ends, your live stream is going to begin. Viewers can start joining and interacting in real time. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for even more content like this, and have a great rest of your day.